Hey everybody, welcome to Laliland. What am I doing with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What am I doing with the 8 eggs in a loaf pan? I'm making egg loaf. Keto egg loaf. So here are the ingredients, obviously the 8 eggs. I put a little almond flour in mine, but that's not required. You don't have to. I want it. Baking powder, my best friend. I use imitation vanilla because I go through so much of it and it's cheaper. 2 tablespoons of monk fruit, I believe. Well, I mean, it is monk fruit, but I mean, I think it's 2 tablespoons. I'll have to look it up. We're gonna use 4 ounces of Kerrygold butter, softened, and then a whole stick of, or whole block of Philadelphia cream cheese. We're going to combine all this in a big old bowl, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes or so, or 30 to 40 minutes depending. Let's get to baking. Not bacon, baking. I'm so cheesy. There is no cheese in this egg loaf. All right, I'll stop. Alright, eggs are whisked. I accidentally melted my butter instead of just letting it sit for 10 seconds in the microwave. That's alright. I don't know, might affect the recipe. Whatevs. Who's eating it but me? Well, Mikey. I'll give that a little whisk. Plop. Usually I use the electric mixer, but today I don't want to. Just feel like whisking. Don't measure. I like a lot of vanilla. This is what happens, I didn't explain this, but yeah. Once you make this, what you do after you make the egg loaf, you can make it into French toast. I mean, I guess you could use it for like sides of bread too. Tweak it a little bit, but I don't put cinnamon in mine because I'm allergic to cinnamon. So if you really want to add some flavor, add some cinnamon to it. I personally like to add almond flour to give it a little bit more of a kick. Not a kick, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm just doing about a 1/4 cup, guys. A little flour. Obviously, if you do it without almond flour, it's like super low carb. But I have to be difficult to add a 1/4 cup in. In fact, just to give it even a little more something, because I want a nice fluffy loaf, I'm even going to do just a little tiny bit of coconut flour. Just a little bit. So you can see it looks like a cake mix, like a boxed cake mix, which I wish it was. So that looks good. And now we're just going to do a little sweetener, which I am going to look up on my phone. That's the technical recipe I'm using, and I have no idea if you can see that or not. But I'm using it from a ketogenic forum. Girl's name is Sammy, I think, but she used it from someone else. 2 tablespoons of sweetener. And monk fruit is our sweetener of choice. We're almost out of it, so I must go and order more. Guys, it's so good. It looks like sugar. It smells like vanilla cake. I can't explain it. I love monk fruit. And really, I mean, you guys can make this your own. If you're not using it for French toast, make it savory. Put cheese and bacon in it instead of the sweeteners. My loaf pan of choice. This is going to go in this, but we're going to line it with good old parchment paper. My parchment paper. It always sits really weird in there. All right, now how am I going to film this being poured in when I have no help today? Let's see if I can set it up like right here somehow. I don't want to be on camera today because I haven't showered or put makeup on yet. It just screwed up the parchment paper. Because I'm filming. That's why. That is why. So now the question I raise is, do I just get rid of the parchment paper at this point and hope for the best? Will that burn? I don't know. I guess if the oven catches fire, I'll let you know. Let you guys know. Just a little bit that ran on the side there. Shoot. Any suggestions for if that happens again? All right, so again, 8 eggs, a block of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of butter, baking powder, vanilla. I put some almond flour and some coconut flour in just a little bit. Stir that up and let's pop it in the oven. Oh, please don't burn. Let's see what's up with that. Let's give it 32 minutes. We'll be back. Oh, we're beeping, we're beeping. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's so much better looking than the first round I made. She's beautiful. So much prettier than the first one I ever made. Yeah, I'm putting it right on the counter. That's gonna be a mistake, but I'm so sorry for the shadow on this. That's making me sad. Guys, that's my egg loaf. So you let this cool for, let's shut off the oven. You let this cool for about an hour, and once it's cooled, you slice it. You slice it up and fry it up with, I fry it with coconut oil or bacon grease. That's the best. And then you can save the rest in the fridge, put some powdered sugar on it. Oh my God, it's so good. This is our favorite syrup that we use. Calorie free. There's the nutrition facts, guys. 0 carb, 0 sugar. Here's the ingredients. And it's actually delicious. I didn't know what to expect. It's thicker than I thought, and it's really, really good. It's better than regular syrup. That's just fake stuff, guys. Don't use that. So let's let this cool, and then let's fry her up. I cut it a little too thick, but we're gonna let Mikey try. He's coming in from work. We're gonna see if he likes this, and then I'm eating the rest of it. This piece. See if I can flatten it a little bit. This technically could have made 2 pieces had I cut it correctly. I actually put it back in the oven after I showed you guys. I put it back in the oven for a little while, like an extra 10 minutes, just to get it nice and crispy on the top. And I'm frying it in coconut oil, like I was hoping to, because I don't want to be bacon grease. I just flipped it again. It's looking delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit of swerve on it. Yes. Just a little bit of pancake syrup from Walden Farms that I showed you before. All right, folks, he just walked in. There's the man. He doesn't know what we're doing.
Egg loaf?
You have no idea what we're doing with that egg loaf, are we?
No.
We're putting it in your mouth to try it. Oh. I just fried that up.
Nice.
Put down your stuff. I need you to be my taste tester. No pressure. Just putting the swerve on there for him. A Walden syrup. Walden Farms. Yes.
Ooh, that looks glorious.
So let me cut off a little piece. Do you prefer a middle or an end?
End is good.
Really? You? See, I made it too thick. It didn't get it the way I wanted to in the middle, but...
Thick is good though. Thick is good. Mmm.
How did it come out? What's the matter? Better than last time? Or the same?
I like it better. Because it reminds me of challah bread French toast.
I made it too thick. I know. The slice came out too thick. Challah.
No.
You like
know when you go somewhere, like, and you get the challah bread French toast? That's what it tastes like.
Do you like it? Even without cinnamon, you're okay with it?
Yeah.
Your piece, you would have cinnamon, but...
It's good.
Thanks.
It tastes like diner, thick, like Texas challah French toast.
And now what are you going to go do for me?
Go to the store.
Because we need?
Butter.
What?
Butter.
We're out of butter. Poor guy. Bye.
Thanks for watching Laliland.
Whee! Make this. Fry it up. Eat it up. Enjoy it. To my new keto friends, this is an easy recipe. Give it a shot. And to everyone that's been doing this for a long time, maybe it'll make you crave it. Bye.